Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Practice English with Stories. Today, we'll learn English with the story of an amazing group, BTS. They're a South Korean boy band that's taken the world by storm. Let's get started. Part 1, Formation and Debut. BTS, also called the Bangtan Boys, is a 7-member boy band from South Korea, created by Big Hit Entertainment. The group includes RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. They debuted on June 13, 2013, with the album Too Cool for School. Their music started with hip-hop but has grown to include many different styles. Part 2, Rise to Fame. BTS became famous for their honest, self-made music, amazing performances, and close connection with fans. Their lyrics talk about personal and social issues, like mental health, school struggles, loss, finding self-love, being unique, and the ups and downs of fame. Part 3, Global Success. By 2017, BTS had become huge worldwide, leading the Korean wave in the US. They were the first Korean group to get a gold certification from the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA, for their song Mic Drop, and the first South Korean act to top the Billboard 200 with their album Love Yourself, Tear, in 2018. In 2020, BTS became the fastest group since the Beatles to have 4 #1 albums in the US in under 2 years. Part 4, Cultural Impact. BTS is known for their impact on culture, charity, and politics. They've addressed important issues for young people, making their music relatable and comforting. Their success has helped many Korean adoptees reconnect with their roots, leading to personal discoveries and journeys of self-identity. Part 5, Hiatus and Solo Projects. In 2022, BTS decided to take a break to focus on solo projects. Jungkook explained that this decision was to let each member explore their own interests, with plans to come back together eventually. Even though they're on break, BTS members have said they might work together on smaller projects before reuniting fully. Part 6, Military Service and Future Plans. By 2025, Jin and J-Hope have completed their military service, and the other members, RM, Suga, V, Jimin, and Jungkook, are expected to finish by June 2025. In a recent interview, J-Hope was hopeful, saying that BTS will come back soon and work together again. While a full return might take some time, the group is expected to come back with fresh energy and focus. BTS's journey shows us the power of perseverance, staying true to yourself, and how music can bring people together across the world. They've broken barriers and inspired millions of fans everywhere. Thanks for joining today's English practice session. See you next time.